Hey, so this is the key for my house. I'm going to try and 3D print one. So I'm going to do up a model and see how we go. So I've made up a model in SolidWorks. I've adjusted the key. This is the real key. I've adjusted it slightly. I've made the shank length a bit shorter because it doesn't need to be so long to fit in the keyhole, and this will make it a bit stronger. I've also made that diameter slightly larger, which should give it a bit more strength, because I'm a little bit worried about the 3D printed version not being quite strong enough, but we'll see. I've also made half of it flat so that it will sit on the bed of the 3D printer nicely, because otherwise it's going to need supports, and I hate printing with supports. So yeah, otherwise it seems pretty accurate from the measurements I can take. It's got the curved feature that you can just see in there, and then if we go to the slicer, we can see what it's going to look like. I've gone for 3 perimeters and 15% infill, so I will print it in black PETG. So we'll see how it prints. So this is what it looks like. It's come out pretty good. It's the flat side that was down on the bed from end on, and compared to the original, I think that might work. Let's go and try it. So the door is currently locked, and we're going to take our key easy as that. Worked perfectly. It's a little bit tight in there. Kind of have to wiggle it a bit to get it in. And it's worked. Door locked again. You do have to... yeah, it's not as smooth as the real key. Yeah, you have to put a little bit of pressure on it sometimes, but works pretty well overall. I'm pretty happy with that. Quite easy, really. Yeah, hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something.